To use speed dial numbers feature on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Phone app. While you are in the keypad tab, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then tap speed dial numbers. Tap the down arrow icon next to the available speed dial number and then select the desired number. As the example, we will select number 3. Next, tap the contact icon and then select the desired contact. If needed, you can repeat this step to set another speed dial numbers. Next, go back to the keypad screen. Now, you can tap and hold the number 3 on the keypad to speed dial the contact that you have assigned to this number. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.